So what do you think we should do, bud? You tell me. Just want to do some skids?
Sunday cruise.
Huh?
Sunday cruise.
Yeah, right. Let's go for a Sunday cruise.
Who team sent it? Alex Gavea with Elliot Morey. R32 Ford. Oh, Alex! Abu, no, you did! Abu, no, main stager. I want to see the guys drive together, not against each other, together. You see here, the first two cars done fantastic, but the car behind lagging. Got Andy Boyson in front, Tim Boyson with the Boy S14, and I'm not too sure it's the back, but he's not right up next to a VDDC or something, I'm not too sure what it is, but there's some sort of... They're going too slow. Oh, overtake! No, no overtake.
Six-car
Come
team.
on, boys. And Chris Walker in front of his 200B. SR20 just.
Oh no.
Zero. Wide right.
Right, so two really rad dudes bought a lot of DriftSquid merch earlier today. I'm just going to go up to them and tell them that they've got to come for a spin. See how they react to this, eh? Alright guys. What's going on?
Hey! LS1 sucks. LS1 sucks. This needs to be an RB.
How much convincing do you need to go back to RB?
0.
Okay. So I can't convince you to come for a spin?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah?
Always.
You both down?
Definitely.
Alright.
Always down.
Let's make it happen.
Alright, let's do it.
We got next session. I just want to do that one and I'm probably going to call it a day.
Yep. Yeah,
So
cool.
we'll just try and get both of you in that session.
Definitely, yeah.
And we'll just swap over like down there and
How can you say no? Done.
wicked. Cheers boys.
Do it, bro.
All right, so you don't know when the next group is?
This is D about to go out, I think.
Oh, sweet. So we've got 20 minutes.
We've got a bit of time. Yeah.
All right, sweet. Well, I'll be up there.
We'll see you then.
Awesome.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, guys. This is what happens when you buy a heap of friggin' DriftSquid merch.
Yeah, nice. Money well spent.
Nah, cheers, bro. I appreciate it.
Anytime.
This is gonna be sick.
Looking forward to it.
Shake and bake. I'm gonna. I'm shouting him a quick lap. A hot lap.
You hot lap it.
You've been asking me all weekend. And I've been the terrible guy saying, oh, I don't know. But no, we made it happen, bro. Enjoy it.
Let's do it, man.
So sorry, man.
Nah, all good, man. That was a sick little fucking ride. Thanks heaps, bro.
Well, that was the aftermath of the last run. I went out and did a bit of dirt turboing. The old Neovas are well and truly Ted. I don't know if you can focus on that very well. That's product testing at its best, I'd say. How's the other side? Yep, that's definitely stuffed. So we're gonna call it a day. Engine's getting ridiculously hot. Don't blame it for this weather. Anyway, it's a killer weekend. Thanks Vic Drift. We pitted with some cool dudes. Oh, Mikey, he's got a, what is it? E36. And you can see he had some dramas. This reminds me of Big Boost. He was talking the head down before. Yeah, here he is. He's got a YouTube channel, Mike Lake. He's actually a Kiwi. He's blood good blood. Anyway, we're gonna pack up. Now, and we got to drive home tonight too, which sucks. Nice little 10-hour drive. Anyway, pack up time. That's Big Drift all done and dusted. Now loading up. Van's full. Cruise is full. The girls are waiting very patiently. All ready for the 10-hour trip home. 10 or 11, something like that. You ready? Are you excited? Can't wait? Let's do it. And we'll do it all again next week. Bayside Matsuri.